If you don't have the time or money for a gym membership but still want to stay in great shape, this video is definitely for you. Today I'll show you 5 incredible bodyweight exercises that will transform your body in just 2 weeks. The 5th exercise is a real game changer, so make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started! Exercise 1. Ab crunches. Ab crunches are a popular compound exercise that targets the rectus abdominis muscle, which is responsible for creating those coveted six-pack abs. Beyond the classic version, there are many variations that also work the external obliques, internal obliques, and transverse abdominis. For example, reverse crunches put more load on the lower abs, while bicycle crunches engage the obliques and internal abdominal muscles. Crunches not only strengthen your abdominal muscles but are also great for burning fat. When doing crunches, you activate a large number of muscles, which requires additional calories. This helps increase overall energy expenditure and promotes weight loss. Regular abdominal training improves the functioning of the abdominal organs and muscles, helping to reduce fat deposits in this area. Remember, achieving results in burning fat requires both training and a balanced diet. A strong core is not just about having beautiful abs. It is key to excellent physical shape and health. The core includes the abs, back, hips, and buttocks. A strong core positively impacts your back and balance, reduces the risk of injury, and improves overall performance in other exercises and daily tasks. How to perform ab crunches correctly. 1. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart. 2. Place your hands behind your head or cross them over your chest. 3. Exhale and smoothly lift your upper body 10-15 cm, rounding your back using only your abdominal muscles. 4. Hold at the top for a couple of seconds. 5. Inhale and slowly return to the starting position. 6. Perform 3 sets of 15-20 reps. Exercise 2. Glute Bridges. The glute bridge is the best exercise for achieving round, firm buttocks at home. This exercise primarily targets the gluteus maximus, medius, and minimus muscles. It also engages other muscles, including the back and front thighs, core muscles, back extensors, and calf muscles. The glute bridge activates the hamstrings and strengthens the hip adductors, which are crucial for maintaining good posture. Additionally, it stretches the muscles of the chest, shoulders, and abdomen. The glute bridge stabilizes your core, hamstrings, lower back, abs, and glutes without putting pressure on the lower back. It is an excellent exercise for relieving lower back pain, and is ideal for those who cannot perform squats due to knee or hip problems. The gluteal muscles play a significant role in controlling the femur bone at the hip joint, affecting how the knee joint moves. The single-leg version of the glute bridge can help with hip stability training and prevent potential knee issues. How to perform glute bridges correctly. 1. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. 2. Place your arms along your body. 3. Lift your hips and back, keeping them in a straight line with your shoulders as you inhale. 4. Tense your abs and glutes at the top and hold for 2-3 seconds. 5. Exhale and lower yourself back to the starting position. 6. Perform 3 sets of 15-20 reps. Exercise 3. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are one of the most effective exercises for developing the muscles of the back and arms. They target the trapezius and latissimus dorsi muscles, biceps, triceps, and pectoralis major muscles. Additionally, the abs act as stabilizers during pull-ups. This exercise strengthens your back and arms, helping maintain straight posture and making everyday tasks easier. Pull-ups require significant upper body strength and effort, so gradually increasing the number of repetitions and variations will help develop this strength. Pull-ups improve muscle endurance and cardiovascular health, increasing lung ventilation and oxygen supply to the brain, which can help prevent headaches. They also enhance joint mobility, as joints rely on movement for the production of synovial fluid, which nourishes them. How to perform pull-ups correctly. 1. Hang from a pull-up bar with legs straight and torso without bending. 2. Use a shoulder-width grip. 3. Exhale and pull yourself up until your chin is level with or above the bar. 4. Ensure your elbows remain perpendicular to the floor. 5. Lower yourself smoothly to the starting position. 6. Perform 3 sets of 10-15 reps. Exercise 4. Lunges. Lunges are a versatile exercise for strengthening the lower body, working the glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, abs, and spinal erectors. This exercise improves body balance and coordination by working both sides of the body alternately. Lunges target muscle groups that other exercises might overlook and increase hip flexor flexibility, which is often compromised in sedentary lifestyles. They do not put axial stress on the spine, allowing it to rest and recover. How to perform lunges correctly. 1. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart and arms fully extended at your sides. 2. Take a large step forward with one foot, lowering your back knee to the floor at a right angle. 3. Keep your front shin upright and your body vertical. 4. Return to the starting position. 5. Repeat with the opposite leg. 6. Perform 3 sets of 10-15 reps on each leg. Exercise 5. Plank. The plank is a fundamental bodyweight exercise that aims to keep the torso parallel to the floor. It strengthens the abs, arms, back, and legs, especially targeting the rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, obliques, and erector spinae. Planking also involves the latissimus dorsi, shoulders, and glutes. Regular planking improves posture, reduces back pain caused by weak muscles, and enhances flexibility. It also stretches the lower body, including the biceps femoris and soles of the feet. The plank helps maintain proper posture by strengthening the back, chest, shoulders, neck, and abs. How to perform the plank correctly. 1. Start on the floor with hands shoulder width apart and feet hip width apart. 2. Rest your forearms on the floor, elbows directly under your shoulders. 3. Maintain a straight line from heels to the top of your head, looking slightly ahead. 4. Keep abs tense and lower back in a neutral position. 5. Perform 3 sets of 30-60 seconds. These 5 bodyweight exercises are perfect for staying in shape without the need for a gym. Incorporate them into your routine and you'll notice significant improvements in strength, endurance, flexibility, and overall well-being in just 2 weeks. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Build your anatomy for more great tips and exercises. It's the only option. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.